Hey, online shoppers, listen up. Today, I'm unpacking perksavings.com and answering the big question, is it legit, or are you about to get scammed out of your hard-earned cash? So, here's the deal. There's absolutely no verifiable evidence that perksavings.com is a real, trustworthy business. When I search for this site, I can't find any official company registration, no business accreditation, and not a single reputable user review. That's a massive red flag. Let me break down what you need to watch for. First, the lack of accreditation. Perksavings.com isn't listed as a licensed financial services provider or even recognized by the Better Business Bureau. Second, those too good to be true promises? Yeah, if a site says you'll get guaranteed high returns or unbeatable savings, you're probably staring at a scam. Another trick, scammers love to use names that sound like big brands. Ever seen Perks at Work or Clientele Perks? Sites like perksavings.com bank on that confusion. And if you ever feel rushed, like act now or miss out, just remember, real businesses don't strong-arm you with urgency. Worried about how they want your money? Sketchy payment methods like untraceable crypto or friends and family bank transfers are major warning signs. So, how do you protect yourself? Always check if a company is licensed. If you're in South Africa, you can use the FSCA website. Double-check the web address for typos, and make sure there's a padlock icon for security. And never trust a site without a real physical address or a legit customer service number. If you've already handed over your banking info or lost money to this site, contact your bank immediately. Report the fraud, try to halt any pending transactions, and protect your future self. Bottom line, if it feels sketchy, it probably is. Stay smart, stay safe, and don't let scammers steal your peace of mind.